Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA is holding support still. The 50 cent level is for me the key level that distinguishes between the white count and the green count. I think it all boils down to that. I'm always thinking about how can I make the analysis as easy as possible to understand and without much, without too much detail, because the structure is very messy. It's a very difficult structure to navigate here. So how can I make it as easy as possible? For me, it's all about that 50 cent level, the 78.6 retrace of this rally to the upside, which started on the 23rd of January. I see that in the white count as wave A of wave 5 after wave 4 bottomed here on the 23rd of January. The pullback, I see it as a B wave of wave 5, but below the 78.6 retrace, I can't really justify that perspective anymore. Not if there's a sustained break. So ideally, at some point here, we see the start of a C wave, and I cannot confirm a start of a C wave until I see a first 1-2 setup of wave C, and then we should ideally see a wave 3, 4, 5, which ideally then takes us into the region between 85 to 96 cents. This would be ideal. I've already labeled this current pullback as a WXY structure. Surely there will be other interpretations that are applicable here. I think, WXY is also possible to count the A wave top here, and then it's just an ABC. But then, there are many options. I can tell you that. Many options how I could label this, but it wouldn't make us more, well, it wouldn't give us more clarity, okay? So I thought about a few options and, do I change things here or not? But there's no point. There is really no point. It's all about watching the support levels. I mean, they are very, very well known, but also highlighting we haven't got a confirmed low in place. We just don't. So at the moment, the 55.7 cent level is next support, next micro support. And below that, we've got 50.5 cents. A break above the 59.6 cent level, which is the last small swing high, would be an early indication that maybe we get a bit of a larger bounce, but what exactly that is, difficult to say. If it's a corrective bounce, we'll make another low, so we will be able to see that based on the structure. If it's an impulsive bounce, then it might finally be the start of that C wave. Below 50 cents, again, the 50 cent level is for me the divider between bullish momentum and bearish momentum, even though you can really hardly call this bullish, this really boring price action we've seen on the ADA chart in recent months. So I don't even know what else to say. I mean, this chart is, what can I say in these videos? It's everything is already communicated. It's just very boring. And in the green count, the move down wouldn't be a B wave in the white count, but the A wave in the green count. A rally could just be an ABC structure in wave B in green, and then we can still see a C wave down. So that means even in the green count, there could be a reaction before breaking below 50.5 cents. But if the nature of the rally is corrective, it might just be a B wave rally in a larger degree wave 2. And then we can basically watch here for the C wave down once we have established the B wave top. The thing is, if it's the green count, it would be an interesting long trade, let's call it opportunity setup at least, And I will only bring this wave 2 support area onto the chart, however, once I have confirmation that the green count is actually leading the way. Be aware that in this move to the upside that started in June last year, first of all, the bottoming structure is a bit messy and unclear. Some exchanges show the low here in June, some here in September, so that already makes the structure difficult. And it is possible that therefore wave 1 is already completed. But it takes further evidence, and the evidence I need is a break below the 50 cent level. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.